We'll guide you through how to create a drop shadow in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and load the image or text you want to add a drop shadow to. Once you have your object selected, go to the menu at the top and click on Filters. From the dropdown, hover over Shadows and Glows, and then choose Drop Shadow. This will open a new dialog box where you can customize your shadow. You'll see options for blur radius, opacity, and offset in the X and Y directions. Adjust the blur radius to determine how soft or sharp you want the shadow edge to be. A higher value will give you a softer shadow. For opacity, slide the control to adjust how transparent or solid the shadow appears. The offset values will help you position the shadow in relation to the object. You can try different settings until you achieve the look you want. Remember, you can always preview the changes in real time by checking the live preview box. Once you're satisfied with the shadow, click Apply to finalize it. If you want to make further adjustments, you can always go back to the drop shadow menu and tweak the settings as needed. This feature allows for flexibility and creativity, making your design stand out with professional looking shadows. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.